Hi, I'm Kathy Bright,
And I'm Ann Mooring.
and we're with Ketley Realtors.
Welcome to our listing in Sheridan, Illinois, right on the Fox River.
This amazing property is a 30-acre playground. You can hunt, fish, kayak, ride horses or four-wheelers, start a hobby farm, or just make it a getaway.
Or go the commercial route. We've got a great big red barn you can make a wedding venue, bed and breakfast,
Agritourism.
or a campground.
It's ag zoned. You can have horses or livestock, and there's a barn that could have stalls.
My favorite part is the renovated riverfront cottage. Sitting on 2,000 feet of Fox River frontage, the views are spectacular from every single room.
Who knew something this private and peaceful could be so close? It's only about an hour to Chicago.
And available now. Enjoy the rest of the tour.